In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new WordPress Widgets section. With the recent updates, WordPress has reimagined how we interact with widgets, making it more integrated and customizable than ever before. If you're familiar with previous versions of WordPress, you'll notice some changes, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this new landscape with ease and clarity. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, you'll notice the familiar menu on the left side of your screen. I'm sure it's a comforting sight for most of us who've been managing our sites for a while. Focus on the appearance option and hover over it. You'll see a list of options pop up. Go ahead and click on Widgets to open the Widgets section. Once you click on Widgets, you'll immediately notice the new block-based editor interface. This is similar to the Gutenberg editor, so if you're already using it for your posts and pages, you're halfway there. The idea behind this change is to provide a more seamless and consistent experience across your website. It might seem slightly different if you're used to the older version, but it's quite intuitive. On this screen, you'll see several areas, often labeled as widget areas. These could be your site's sidebar, header, footer, or any specific widget-ready areas defined by your theme. Simply select the area where you want to add or edit a widget. Remember that not all themes have the same widget areas, so what you see might differ slightly from this demonstration. To add a new widget, click on the plus icon in the upper left corner. This will expand a panel of available blocks. The selection here is more diverse because you're not just adding widgets, you're adding blocks that can include widgets. This shift means you have a wider range of functionalities, from simple text widgets to more elaborate ones like calendars or galleries. Once you find the block you want, you have two options. First, you can drag it directly to your widget area. Alternatively, you can click on it to automatically add it to the selected area. Both options are quite straightforward, so choose whichever feels more comfortable for you. Editing a widget is just as simple. Click on the widget or block, and it will open an editing panel. Here, you can customize your content, change settings, and even alter the order of the widgets by dragging and dropping them. The real-time preview feature ensures that you see your changes as you make them, reducing any guesswork. When you're satisfied with your widgets, don't forget to click the Update button on the top right corner of the screen. This saves all the changes you've just made to your site. And that's it for today's tutorial on using the new WordPress Widgets section. With this refresh, WordPress is making it easier to ensure your site looks exactly how you want, all while giving you more control over your content and layout. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!